A baseline hearing test is important for anybody so that you know where your hearing sits, so we can make sure that your ears are healthy. For people who work in very busy or very loud environments, so anything in the military, heavy equipment operators, musicians, things like that, it's good to get a baseline so that as you are continuously exposed to that kind of noise over your career, we can periodically check your hearing to make sure that we're not getting any huge changes. And that way, if we are, we catch it sooner rather than later, and then we can treat it effectively.